Hi friends, who are the competitors to AWS, Amazon Web Services? Let us try to understand in this video. Of course, you all know that AWS is in the cloud computing market. So who are other major players in cloud computing market? Okay, so before that, friends, I would like to request you to subscribe to our Scitechwiz channel. Please do subscribe and please click like buttons. This is a new channel. Your help is very much required in terms of subscriptions and likes. Please express your opinions in the comment section and let us go to the topic directly. First competitor to AWS is Microsoft Azure. It's a comprehensive cloud platform that offers a wide range of services and tools for building, deploying, and managing applications and services. It provides a robust set of offerings similar to AWS, including virtual machines, storage, databases, AI services. Azure enables organizations to build, deploy, and manage applications and services through Microsoft-managed data centers. It offers scalability. That's a primary expectation from cloud market, right? It offers scalability, flexibility, and security, allowing businesses to scale their infrastructure up or down based on their needs. Azure supports various programming languages, frameworks, and tools, making it compatible with different application development and deployment scenarios. So, Azure offers virtual machines, storage, app service, functions, SQL database, cognitive services, DevOps, IoT, networking, and of course security. So it's widely used by businesses of all sizes and across different industries to develop, deploy, and manage their applications and services in the cloud, leveraging Microsoft's extensive infrastructure and resources. Number 2, GCP, Google Cloud Platform. This is a computing service, cloud computing service, offering a suite of infrastructure and platform services. It provides scalable computing resources, storage options, data analytics, machine learning, and many other services for application development and deployment. Key services and features of a Google Cloud Platform include Compute Engine, App Engine, a Kubernetes Engine, Cloud Functions, Cloud Storage, BigQuery. This fully managed data warehouse and analytics platform enables users to analyze large data sets quickly using SQL queries. Cloud PubSub, Cloud AI. GCP offers a suite of artificial intelligence and machine learning services. Google is very aggressive to incorporate artificial intelligence in its various services. Of course, it is including AutoML, AI platform, and TensorFlow, allowing users to build and deploy machine learning models and AI applications. IAM, this is very important, Identity and Access Management. So GCP provides IAM capabilities for managing user access and permissions to resources, ensuring secure authentication and authorization. Coming to the third one, IBM Cloud. This is an enterprise-grade cloud platform that offers infrastructure as a service, IaaS, and PaaS, of course, SaaS, that is software as a service solutions. So it provides a range of services, including virtual servers, storage, AI, data analytics, and blockchain services. IBM Cloud aims to provide enterprise-grade cloud solutions, leveraging IBM's extensive experience in enterprise computing, security, and data management. The great thing with IBM Cloud is it is using all existing tools and technologies of IBM, and they are trying to make IBM Cloud as powerful as they can. It is utilized by businesses across various industries for developing and deploying applications. Of course, it is leveraging AI capabilities, managing data, and exploring emerging technologies like blockchain, IoT. And the fourth one, OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So what is this Oracle Cloud offering? It is delivering a comprehensive set of infrastructure and platform services. It includes compute instances, storage options, networking, database services, and specialized tools for enterprise application development and deployment. Next, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, it focuses on providing enterprise-grade cloud solutions, leveraging Oracle's expertise in database technology and enterprise applications. It is also utilized by organizations for various workloads, including enterprise applications, big data processing, analytics, and mission-critical workloads that require high performance, scalability, and security. So guys, these are just a few examples of AWS competitors in the cloud computing market. So each provider has its own unique strengths, services, and pricing models. So it's essential to evaluate your specific requirements and compare the offerings before selecting a cloud provider. To learn, anything is fine. The concepts are more or less similar. If you are learning a concept in AWS, if you are learning the same concept, the fundamentals in IBM Cloud or a GCP, more or less the concepts are same, but the GUI will be different, and of course a few features are varying among all these applications. So guys, please do subscribe to our Scitechwiz channel. Please do like our videos. Express your opinions in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks a lot.